How's it going, guys? My name is Sean.
I'm John Thomas.
Welcome to VEDEM Racing, and right behind us is our new build, a 2016 Mustang GT Performance Pack Edition. Coming to a car meet near you, crowds beware. John, this thing is freaking nice. Look, it's got heated seats, air-conditioned seats. Look at this, it even says ground speed. What do you think that means? So 80 miles per hour ground speed, does that mean it also has airspeed as well?
You know, there's only one way to find out, by putting on a bigger wing.
This car is actually equipped with a performance package, which comes with 19-inch wheels, comes with bigger front brakes, stiffer spring rates, also a torsion limited slip differential, and also a little front strut bar. So that's kind of, it has a little bit of different gauges in the interior, so that's kind of what's cool about the Performance Package Edition. I think it's like a $3,000 option, but it's well worth it with the big brakes and whatnot. So, John, what do you think we're going to do with this front end?
Well, we definitely have to replace a couple of pieces. And we thought about doing some GT350 parts.
What do you think about that, girl? Oh, you do? Maybe we'll go down that route. Some GT350 replica parts. But there's one thing, we do not want this, we don't want people to think this is a GT350. That's not the route we're going. We just kind of like how the hood and the front bumper looks. So it's a little bit more aggressive. We're not, we're gonna actually, we've been looking at the little Coyote Howler badges, so it's not mistaken for a GT350. That's not what we're going for, but we do like the aggressive front look of the GT350, so we might go down that route. So really the reason I went with the Mustang is, honestly, I've never been a big fan of Mustangs, to be completely honest with you, but after 2015 when they came out with the new independent rear suspension, I actually rode out in the Mustang at Hallett Racetrack, and it was actually a really great experience. They handle well, they sound great, they make great power, so I've always kind of wanted one. I've really been interested in the GT350s, a little bit more than just the 5.0 Coyotes, but they're a little bit out of our price range at the current moment. So the 5.0 Coyote is no slouch of a motor either, so this is actually a great car. It's going to make a great daily driver for the most part. It's going to supplement the S2000, so it's going to have a little bit more torque. It'll spin the tires with the line lock. We might test that out pretty soon. What do you think of it, John?
Honestly, I think it's going to be a great car. I myself have even been looking at some 5.0s recently. I've always kind of wanted to play with them. Like you said, I've never been a fan of Mustangs either, but after the 2015 year with the new redesign and independent rear suspension, I've started to respect them a little bit more. So I'm actually really excited to see this build come through, and I can't wait to start driving it.
Another thing is, too, there's been a lot of protesters crossing the highway and stuff like that, so we're getting ourselves prepared. That's why we got us a Mustang. So, guys, if you're not already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe for more videos that are about to come out on this build series and our other build series as well. Hit that like button, throw a comment down, why not? And we'll see y'all in the next one. A bit bigger front Brembo brakes, down go Brembos. Nah, I'm not going to cut that out.
You been Brembos.
Let me mention, that is going in.